Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and graph the second equation. So I'm going to use a table again just for another review of how to do graphing using a table. So I need to set up another table. So an x and a y. And I'm going to use the same points, negative 1, 0, and 1. You can use any points you want. But remember, those are your x values. So it's really easy for me to do negative 1 and 0 and 1. It would not be easy for me to do 1,000. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, so my equation, again, I'm going to replace the x value. So I'm going to have 2, and I'm replacing it with the negative 1 to start. Okay, so 2 times negative 1 plus y equals negative 4. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, plus y equals negative 4. Solve your, and it's only a one step because if you notice, y doesn't have a number multiplied by it. So all I have to do is get rid of this negative 2 by adding a positive 2. And I get y equals negative 2. So that's my first point for this line. Okay, and then I'm going to replace x with 0 this time. So 2 times 0 plus y equals negative 4. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus y equals negative 4. And since 0 is nothing, y just equals negative 4. So that was a nice one. So that's my second point. And then my last point is replacing x with 1. Okay, so let me see. Let me go over here and write it down. So 2 times 1 plus y equals negative 4. All right, 2 times 1 is 2 plus y equals negative 4. Solve your one step by adding a negative 2. And you get y equals negative 6. So that is my third point. So now, of course, I have to put those points on the graph. So negative 1, negative 2. So I go negative 1 and go down 2. Look at that. I'm already seeing where they cross because they have this point in common. But I'm still going to finish plotting the rest of this line. So now I'm going to do 0, negative 4. So 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 0, negative 4. And then 1, negative 6. So 1. I'm going to extend my graph here. So 1 and negative 6 is about there. Oh, my tape is stopping me from putting the point. So you get the idea. Okay, and the point is we're trying to find where these two lines cross. So we found it. It looks like they cross at negative 1 and negative 2. Okay, so we think that's the point. And of course, you'd have to check that solution.